Pasta is so easy to make, and today I'm going to show you how to do it. But this isn't just any pasta tutorial. This is authentic Italian pasta making in Italy. This business is a family of winemakers that founded in the 1500s and is still owned and operated by the same family today. They offer a wine tasting and pasta making class combo, and today I'm going to share that with you. Your ingredients are going to be 90 grams of flour, 1 egg, and a pinch of salt. That's it. You're going to start by mixing that all together until it's combined in a bowl.
So start like pushing it together so that you're getting all the dry bits, but it's like starting to turn into a little ball.
Once your dough has started to form into a ball, you're going to put it down on your work surface. Make sure this is floured. At this point, there might be a little scraps that aren't sticking all the way, but you can just pour these on top and knead them in as you go.
To make a kind of ball, guys. If your pasta sticks too much to your fingers, you can scrape. You can scrape your hand each other, or you can add flour to your hand, half spoon for example, and you can start again. Half spoon of flour. We can start to knead the pasta with the flour, attention, because if you add too much flour together, your pasta will be too much strong and it's difficult later to open to prepare the different shape. So with the flour, half spoon each time, and you check step by step, not all together. And now we can start to kneading pasta. The movements are very easy. Fold pasta to you with your fingers, to you. Press in the opposite way with the palm of your hand.
Yes, this is going to count as your workout, but it's worth it. Don't worry.
If your pasta sticks, you need to sprinkle of flour more. You need to press with the palm inside in the opposite way to combine the ingredients. I know that now you are tired because you walked a lot and wrong. I know. But pasta needs energy, needs the passion. Fold and press constantly. Very good. Guys, also you can see that in a few minutes your pasta change color. Change the lighter. Yeah, lighter, very good. Kind of bold. Okay. Guys, I'd like to show a trick that you can use when you're gonna remake pasta back home. With one finger, you can press in the middle of the dough, and if you look at the hole and it stays completely down, you need to add more water, because it means that you add too much flour and it goes too much strong. If you look at the hole and it comes completely up to the surface, you need to add more flour. Very good, because it means that your pasta is too much fresh, it's sticky, probably it's too much orange. Half spoon of flour and kneading more, and you check again.
This is what it should look like when it's done and ready.
The hole and it comes halfway way and stop in the middle. Ready. Completely down. Water. Completely up. Flour in the middle. Ready.
You got it right.
Ready. Really? 1 minute kneading. Just 1 minute kneading. More. Sprinkle of flour here, please. You can spread with your hand. And you have to flatten the dough in the both sides like a pancake. Do you like pancake?
Oh yeah.
You can use the rolling pin.
Oh, right. Just waiting for that.
Guys, it doesn't matter the shape and the size. Important is the thickness. It should be very thin. It should be transparent. Let me check.
You're going to need to put some muscle into this, but after you figure out how much pressure, it's easy to do the next time.
start from the bottom here. The size 2 fingers. So you can fold this way. Don't press, just fold. And the same for the opposite way. 2 fingers, fold, fold, fold and fold. You can start to cut the 2 extremities here. So you need to cut very thin. 1 finger, and sure depends your fingers. Pappardelle. 1 finger is enough, about 2. Please, pappardelle, maximum 2 fingers, because if you try to make pappardelle of 3 or 4, you will be lasagna. Okay?
Here's a closer look at the pasta sizes again. To cook your pasta, you're going to need a big pot of water. Put some salt in there and then cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Fresh pasta cooks a lot faster than dry pasta, so make sure you're monitoring it.
Cacio e pepe, amatriciana,
Amatriciana.
amatriciana, cacio e pepe. Okay, so 3 and 3.
Now let's talk about sauce. She made the sauce for us, but she did give us all the recipes for how to make them. So experiment and try what you like.
Guys, this is the natural fat.
What is that?
The guanciale.
Oh, that's the word?
It's for amatriciana. Guys, for all the recipes, I add just a little black pepper. Fresh cheese, 1 spoon for amatriciana, 2 spoons cacio e pepe, and the second cheese, soldier.
Oh, my cheese.
1 spoon for amatriciana, 5 or 6 cacio e pepe. 4, 5, 6. We can add the sauce. San Marzano. San Marzano is the best. It's very good.
Oh,
Also we
yes.
use it for amatriciana, for the pasta, for pizza. For cacio e pepe, pasta water.
There are 3 ways to eat this pasta. You can eat it right away, you can dry it out, or you can keep it in the fridge. If you do plan to make extra, make sure you're keeping it in the fridge or drying it out properly, because fresh pasta doesn't have any preservatives, so it's gonna go bad faster.
Cacio e pepe, inside. Can I take the pasta? Say bye bye to the pasta. Grazie. 1. Cacio e pepe, 2. And cacio e pepe, 3. Arrivederci. Number 4, amatriciana. Guys, remember your number, eh? Number 6. Sorry, number 5 and number 6. Your pasta will be ready in just 5 minutes, and you can see the fruit on top of the water when it's ready. Fruit on top.
I have a question.
Yeah.
The different thicknesses, they also cook the
Yeah,
same?
because it's the different.
The thickness is what
Yeah.
matters. I see.
You can mix it. You like truffle? For you like? Grazie. Mix,
Yeah.
mix. You like parmesan on the top? Grazie. Thank you. Yeah, mix. Also for you. Yeah, mix. And now it's ready. The amatriciana. 1, 2, 3. Number 4.
That's me.
For amatriciana. More pecorino and more black pepper.
Please absolutely let me know if you have tried making pasta with this recipe. It's so much fun, and we do it about once a month for either a date night or drag our friends to do it with us, and everyone loves it. You won't regret learning how to make your own pasta.
Oh boy.